miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and dollar-sized hail. Hazard. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Blooming Grove around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Preston, Emhouse, Howard, Festing, Avalon, Pelham, Frost, Navarro Mills, and Rice. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 391 and 392. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 245. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 6:40 p.m.
Well, that's the severe thunderstorm warning. Crap. That's great. That's great. Look at that. Right there. So new addition is the Bofang two-way radios that I got. I got 2 of them, and then I got a Radio Shack 12-521, which sadly I did not get a video of an unboxing. It's not quite working. Like, the audio won't play. So if y'all can tell me in the comments why that's happening, that'd be amazing.
Hazard, 16.
Yeah, but if y'all can tell me why the speaker isn't working on this, like, it's just like it just won't play. So yeah, but yeah, that's it for y'all. All right, see ya.
Jarrett and Wise. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.